What was that you said? Can you repeat that? Because you're the one who what?
Comes here 50 times a day.
50 times a day?
Isn't that what I do?
That's an exaggeration.
I open the store. I come here. In short, I come here to get my fix.
You just directly give us our paychecks. You just come in here and write out paychecks to each one of us.
I was in the same store 3 times in less than 24 hours. It's an
They know that if they are not closed, chances are I will be in.
This is.
They know I love this place. What can I say?
Well, good. I got that on video.
Yeah, I love this
awesome.
place.
Well, we love you too.
Whenever I enter here, I'm happy.
Yes, sure.
How do we know these are hand blend?
I think there's a pontal.
A what?
I think from that. Well,
I may have
the person who gave them to us said that they were.
36.57.
Yeah, but I say on my driver's license that they weigh 200 pounds.
Well, then I cannot prove it to you.
I'm sorry,
But I cannot prove it to you. That kind of looks like it is right
Give me
there.
my 25%.
But no, I cannot prove it to you.
No,
I just thought there might be something you knew that I didn't.
No, just that they said it was, and then those marks right there.
Did you get it?
Some goodwill somewhere in Delaware.
Okay, so wait, so we're back on. We're back on with
Are you gonna
our
edit
favorite
it?
customer.
Are you gonna edit it? Don't put it on ratemyprofessor.com.
No. Should I get on Rate Professor? Should I give you a chili pepper?
They do that.
All right, but you like our store? You like our store?
I like your store.
You don't mind?
That's everything. I come here as often as I have free time.
Yeah.
Because that's the place.
For how many years?
Huh?
How many years?
For how many years?
Yeah, how many years have you been coming here?
I started coming from Rockville Park.
Yeah. No, I know.
I think are you open up to 10 years?
We've been there. We were there for 20 years. I mean,
Okay.
back that long, yeah.
I've been coming for more than 10 years.
Awesome.
I remember
Awesome.
you mentioned me on TV.
Yeah, I've lived around here for 20 years, so
Yeah.
I've been here every year that I've lived around here. So,
Yeah.
hey, they're doing something nice. If not, why should I be coming back 10 times a day?
Cool. Awesome. All right, I will take that as an endorsement.
Yeah,
Thank
it's
you.
an endorsement. I'll just endorse you guys anywhere.
All right, awesome.
Anywhere.